Hi there, meet Bala. Bala is going from town A to town B. Is it possible to find the distance between town A and town B using the Cartesian plane? Let's see. Imagine these two towns are on the Cartesian plane. Let's assume town A is at coordinates 2, 1 and town B is at 5, 5. Now, we need to figure out the distance between these 2 points. Let's assume the distance between these 2 points is d. Let's construct a right-angled triangle using this distance as the hypotenuse. From the figure, it's obvious that town B is at 5 units distance from the y-axis and town A is at 2 units from the y-axis. Therefore, the length of the base of the triangle is 5 minus 2. That means town A and B are 3 units apart horizontally. Now, let's find the height of the triangle. From the figure, it is clear that town B is at 5 units from the x-axis and town A is 1 unit away from the x-axis. Therefore, the height of the triangle is 5 minus 1, which is 4 units. Now we have the height and the base of the triangle with distance d as the hypotenuse. Is it possible to find the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle when we know its base and altitude? Yes, it is. As per the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared equals base square plus altitude square. Therefore, d squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. Therefore, d equals 5 units. Yay! We figured out the distance between 2 points on the Cartesian plane using Pythagoras' theorem. Now, let's imagine 2 random points at coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Is it possible to find the distance between these 2 points? Yes, it is. Like earlier, we'll use Pythagoras' theorem and replace the numbers with x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now we have to find the base of the triangle. Here, our base will be x2 minus x1. Now let's find the altitude. So we have a right-angled triangle with base x2 minus x1 and altitude y2 minus y1. Now we'll apply the Pythagoras' theorem. Accordingly, distance d squared equals x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Therefore, d equals the root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Wow! Since x1, y1 and x2, y2 can be any random points, we just found the formula for the distance between 2 random points on the Cartesian plane. So the next time when you get 2 random points on the coordinate plane, the distance between those 2 points is the root of x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Look, Bala has finished his ride as well. And I hope that now you can solve some problems using this formula.